This video shows you how to fix the Chrome desktop site option not showing on Android in 2026. If you are unable to access desktop mode or the feature is missing, follow this simple step-by-step guide to update settings, enable options, and restore full desktop browsing easily. Go to the Google Play Store on your device and search for Google Chrome. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, as outdated versions may not display the desktop site option correctly. To use desktop view for a single website, open Chrome and go to the desired web page. Tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, check the option labeled Desktop Site to reload the page in desktop mode. To always enable desktop view permanently, open Chrome settings from the same three-dot menu. Scroll down and tap Site Settings, then locate Desktop Site. Turn on the toggle switch to force desktop mode for supported websites. If this guide helped you fix the issue, please like the video and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more easy tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and helpful technology updates to improve your mobile experience. If the desktop site option is still not visible, try clearing Chrome cache, restarting your device, or reinstalling the app to reset browser settings and fix hidden glitches. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to support the channel for more useful Android troubleshooting content in the future. Have a great day ahead. Stay connected always.